Hey, welcome back to Orlando Experience. So tonight we're back at Epcot, not for Festival of the Holidays, that hasn't started at the time of filming this video, but we're actually here because there's a few operational updates. So first, Soarin' has a new movie with a few updated scenes. So it's not a full new movie, but a few scenes got updated, so we're gonna be heading there first. And then the other big operational update is there's single riders now at Ratatouille. So very excited to check that out. So we're gonna go on in and experience this night with us. Well, actually, we got back here to Soarin' and they're spieling a delay. So we're gonna come back in just a little bit to see if they can get it fully operational and we don't have to stand in a super long line for it. We're gonna be heading back to Ratatouille now, back in France, because they did open a single rider. So we're gonna give you that little bit of an experience.
Venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Larry is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what you got here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it!
Bon travail.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. You.
Ingrid, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Dépêchez-vous. Par ici. Go.
À bientôt et bon appétit. Mignon. Au revoir.
Never for you, right this way. You are always welcome. Please go very happily.
Well, that was quite the single riders there. As you saw, I barely got any video because we kind of walked around the corner expecting there to be a big line. It's Thanksgiving week right now. You're probably seeing this on Thanksgiving. So it's very busy here at the park, and it was over an hour and a half for Ratatouille when we got in line. So we assumed with this new single rider line there would be a lot of families getting in it. But I think it helps that that ride is such a family ride. The whole family does want to ride it. And it's not like Rock and Roller Coaster where certain family members are going to skip out. Then by then there's only like 3 of them. And then they're like, well, we can wait half the time in the single rider. So very glad to see that. I think that is a great addition to the park. I'm always a big advocate for single rider lines. I think it's a great thing in most rides. I think there's some rides that I don't think need it. But rides like that you're sitting on a lot of empty single seats, it's fantastic for single riders, especially for like people like me. They're coming to these parks a lot by themselves. It's just a great time to actually be able to ride something different. I do want to emphasize, please do not get in the single rider line with a big old family and then act all shocked when you get up there. I know that's been a whole thing recently. Don't do that. Please don't do that to the workers. If you want to ride single rider, go for it. Just know you're going to be split up because that's a big part of single rider. So we are heading back to Soarin now. It does show only 20 minutes, so hopefully it will still be that when we head back there to show you the new scenes. I thought I would just mention right now, it's France and then the ending scene that both got updated. So we'll show you some clips from Soarin and definitely show you the full new scenes just to give you an idea what they're like.
Welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
So there's a look at the new Soarin scenes. I think they look great. I think Paris obviously looks so much better. The big difference obviously is the tower's out further, so it doesn't get that warp effect that everyone's made fun of for how many years now. because if you didn't know before, you were so close that the way the screen is curved, it just curves the whole tower and it just looks very silly. So I like that it's pushed back. It looks a lot better. But I also really like that you can actually see more of Paris instead of just the Eiffel Tower. I know that's a focal point, but I like actually being able to see more. And then obviously the end, it's more of a continuity thing at this point, because there was still the old Epcot with the fountain and everything that obviously I love very much. But I think it's better for the nowadays Epcot. Also really like that they incorporated the ball lights, so all the new ball light show kind of things it incorporated with the ending fireworks there, that I think is really great, and it's a good way of showing a bunch of new stuff at Epcot. And I did like that you could literally see everything, including Moana and stuff. But that's about it. So we're gonna wrap up right at the front. So they are playing a show on the ball, so we're gonna walk and talk a little bit here. Obviously, I love when they just add new things to rides, especially single riders. I'm a big fan of single riders, and I think they should start incorporating it into more rides. Again, I don't think everything needs it, but there is a vast majority of rides that could up their capacity a lot if they add those single rider queues. So I'm still excited to see more get added. I'm sure they've noticed it's good for the park because they continue to add more. And then love to see the Soarin' update. I knew it had to be coming soon, because especially that ending scene. I didn't expect the Paris scene to get updated, almost because it was such a running joke at the point that it curved all the way. But glad to see it. So thanks for watching. I hope this brought a little more joy into your day, and we'll see you guys next time.